Try to snore. This is after the appliance is placed in the mouth. We ask patient try to snore.
That's what I'm really trying.
Okay, then just regular breathing. Don't try too hard to make that snore sound. Excellent.